Yo, tight and brad on lando, your foreign tight. They know they select and keep then go collect more. Package way, madam, anti-package way, life na packaging. Package ya da zeno, package ya adezena. Iga like ya madam who had don't carry come again. Our Abba tight don lando, London tight. This one land this morning. Mommy tie you da zeno, brother buy for your baby, daddy buy for your wife. Our London tight don lando, oh yo bra.
Madam Boha, the owner of the popular Bendan Select OK Tight Shop, leggings and waist trainer in Ariaria Market, kept calling her customers. She was known for selling all kinds of women's sports and tight innerwear. A very massive woman with sweet and sharp-tongued mouth. Sister Mommy, tie you Adaziana and Adaziana or package well.
Yo, tight and brad on lando, your foreign tight. They know they select and keep then go collect more. Package way, madam, anti-package way, life na packaging. Package ya da zeno, package ya adezena. Iga like ya madam who had don't carry come again. Our Abba tight don lando, London tight. This one land this morning. Mommy tie you da zeno, brother buy for your baby, daddy buy for your wife. Our London tight don lando, oh yo bra.
And girls of all classes trooped into her shop to bend down and select. Women, thick madams, older wives, young girls, students, boss ladies, they all rushed to her wares. But there was one thing. A big boiling pot is always on the fire, smoking, steaming at the other inner packing store of the woman's shop. The customers saw the smoke, but they hardly saw the boiling pot, unless you went in to wear the clothes you chose. Welcome to Ideka African Folktales, the best storytelling YouTube channel. Remember to comment and like our story. Before you ever wear that second-hand tight again, you need to hear this story. Ariaria Market in Aba was like a living creature. Wild, loud, and always moving. The traders shouting prices, the customers bargaining, bosses honking in the background, and the unforgettable smell of roasted corn and sweat in the air. But in one corner of this chaos stood a shop that was different. Not because it was the biggest, not because of the size of the owner, not because it had a glass door or air conditioning, but because of the voice that echoed through that lane like a hit song on repeat. Yo, tight and brad on land. Yo, tight and brad on land. Package where madam, life na package, you know. Yo, tight.
Yo, tight and brad on lando, your foreign tight. They know they select and keep then go collect more. Package way, madam, anti-package way, life na packaging. Package ya da zeno, package ya adezena. Iga like ya madam who had don't carry come again. Our Abba tight don lando, London tight. This one land this morning. Mommy tie you da zeno, brother buy for your baby, daddy buy for your wife. Our London tight don lando, oh yo bra.
She was called Madam Boha. Others called her Madam B. B for Mama Bra. A woman as massive as her market reputation, bold hips, louder voice, and sharper tongue. Her skin glowed, her wrappers were always colorful, and sometimes she advertised what she sells by wearing them. She was not ashamed of her goods. She was not ashamed of her business. And her confidence made you stop in your tracks. Girls of all kinds, big girls, small girls, runs girls, students, thick madams, all bent down to select from her shop like it was a gold mine. The secret? She sold premium fairly used innerwear imported straight from Europe and America. Lacy bras that once belonged to Italian women. Sports ties that once hugged yoga queens in Manchester. Some were designer, Calvin Klein, Victoria's Secret, Marks and Spencer. But there was something strange. Behind her store, inside her inner shop, there was something always steaming. There was a big black iron pot, always on fire, morning till night, rain or sun, always bubbling, steaming, smoking. At first, people ignored it. But this is Africa, where silence gives birth to suspicion. Soon, rumors began to spray like kerosene fire. That woman they use juju, that pot na ritual pot. My sister says she saw python inside the pot one day. My sister says she see python inside one day. Abeg market don't spoil. Person wey dey say pants dey use sacrifice boil am. And then children started missing in the market. 3 kids gone in 2 weeks. No trace, no witness. Suddenly all eyes turned to Madam B. Madam Boha, she was the prime suspect. Her shop, her pot, her booming business, her laughter, and her boldness. And one day the market exploded. A fellow market woman, bitter with envy and slow sales, called the police. Claimed she saw a child struggling inside the boiling pot of Madam Boha. And police didn't waste time. They stormed Ariaria Market with sirens and rifles. Scattering tables, shouted, "Everybody down, down! If you move, we move you!" People screamed. The traders locked their shops. Some customers ran. But Madam B, she stood her ground, calm and unshaken, watching. "Are you Madam B?" The officer back. "Na me," she replied with arms folded and chest high. They presented a search warrant and charged into the back room like soldiers in a raid. They went for the pot like a bloodhound. With a heavy kick, they turned the pot over. Splash! Hot water steamed the earth. And then came a flood of surgery cloths, bras, tights, shorts, lacy undies, waist shapers, all soaked and rolling out. And the market froze. There was no blood, no bones, no children in the pot, no python, and the worst, there was no chant in the pot. Just clothes, used boiled clean clothes. Madam B collapsed onto a plastic chair and burst into tears. "Is this what you came to do? To disgrace me? To spoil my market? To damage what I built with my hands? And now you have seen it. My pot is not a charm. It is not a ritual. It is my sterilizer." The officers looked confused. The crowd watched in stunned silence. She stood up, wiped her tears, and raised her voice for everyone to hear. I sell second-hand innerwear, bras, tights, pants. And let me tell you the truth you don't know. Many of these things are cheap straight from the mortuaries and the hospitals abroad. Yes, where people die wearing them. Gasp! Some had infections, some had cancers, some had diseases we don't even have names for here. And many of my customers don't know. They wear them straight and walk home from here. They don't watch, they don't boil. But I, Madam Hoha, value their lives more than the profit I make. That pot you mocked is the reason no customer of mine has ever returned with itching, rash, or infection. There was silence, a dead silence. Then one elderly woman stepped forward and said, Ma'am, forgive us. We judge you wrongly. Others joined. The policemen removed their caps. Even the officer who kicked the pot apologized. As for the woman who made the first claim, she was taken away in handcuffs for raising a false alarm and endangering public peace. Moral lessons. Never judge what you don't understand. The truth may be less glamorous, but more noble than it looks. Number 2, kindness doesn't always wear fine clothes. Madam B protected her customers in a way they didn't even know. The third lesson, hygiene matters, especially for second-hand items. Wash, boil, sterilize. Your health depends on it. The fourth lesson, don't spread false rumors. They can destroy what someone built for years. And above all, let people package, but also let them protect. Do you like this story? Please drop a comment. Do not go without dropping a comment for us. Please like it. I'm begging you, like it. Subscribe for more real stories with deep morals. Share to help someone make better choices today. Thank you and bye. I love you for listening to the end.
Your tight and bra don land oh. Your foreign tight. They know they select and keep oh. Then go collect am oh. Package way, madam. Anti-package way. Life na packaging. Package ya adazeno, package ya adazena. Ega like ya madam Hoha don't carry come again oh. Our Aba tight don land oh. London tight. This one land this morning. Mommy tie you adazeno. Brother buy for your baby. Daddy buy for your wife. Our London tight don land oh. Oh yo bra. Yo tight and bra. Your foreign tight has landed oh. Madam package wear, anti-package wear, life na packaging oh. Madam Hoha don land, my tight don land. Sister mommy, tie you adazeno and adazena, package wear, life na packaging. Your London blah don land, foreign tight, eager like ya, daddy, mommy, buy for your wife, brother, buy for your babe, eager like ya, yo tight, yo bro.